Welcome to an overview of my book, Agile Sales and AI-Assisted Selling. In today's ever-evolving market, the days of rigid quotas, static strategies, and drawn-out sales cycles are giving way to a more dynamic approach, Agile Sales. Inspired by Agile project management, Agile Sales prioritizes adaptability, collaboration, and continuous improvement, allowing teams to respond quickly to customer feedback and market trends. But what sets Agile Sales apart, and how can it transform your sales process? The core principles of Agile Sales. Focus on customer value. Every step in Agile Sales is about delivering value to the customer. This value-driven mindset leads to more personalized sales strategies, where AI-assisted tools can help identify data-driven solutions that align with customer needs. You can find more details on how this focus on value integrates with AI tools in Chapter 5, 8-Step Agile Sales and AI-Assisted Selling Process, which discusses the principle of customer-centric value creation. Iterative sales cycles. Traditional sales often follow long cycles, but Agile Sales breaks these down into short, focused sprints. During each sprint, teams gather real-time feedback, test new strategies, and make adjustments. This iterative process enables sales professionals to adapt on the fly, improving the customer experience with each interaction. For more insights on the importance of iterative cycles in sales, see Chapter 9, Scrum and Kanban in Sales. Some cross-functional collaboration. Agile Sales is about breaking down silos. Sales teams work in sync with marketing, product development, and customer service, creating a unified team effort. This holistic approach ensures that all departments are aligned toward the common goal of customer satisfaction. The benefits of cross-functional teams are explored in Chapter 10, Agile Sales Leadership and Team Building, where it emphasizes the importance of interdepartment collaboration. Customer-centric approach. The customer is at the heart of Agile Sales. From the initial outreach to the final follow-up, sales strategies evolve based on customer behaviors and preferences. This approach not only builds loyalty, but ensures sales teams are always one step ahead in anticipating customer needs. For a deeper dive into this, Chapter 5 outlines how customer-centric strategies shape the entire Agile sales process. Data-driven adjustments. Agile Sales relies heavily on performance metrics. Data collection and analysis are embedded into every sprint, allowing teams to track key indicators like lead conversion rates, customer satisfaction, and sales velocity. These insights inform adjustments, making the process smarter and more responsive with each iteration. Chapter 5 also discusses how AI tools enhance data-driven decision-making in each step of the sales process. The benefits of Agile Sales. Increased adaptability. In a world where customer preferences and market conditions shift rapidly, Agile Sales enables teams to pivot quickly. Whether it's a new customer demand or an emerging trend, Agile Sales keeps your team agile, always ready to seize new opportunities. This benefit is discussed in Chapter 9, which focuses on how agile frameworks like Scrum and Kanban help teams stay flexible. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By delivering personalized, value-driven solutions in real time, sales teams build stronger customer relationships. The adaptability of Agile Sales means that customers feel heard, valued, and understood, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Chapter 10 expands on how customer satisfaction is boosted through continuous engagement and feedback. Greater team collaboration. Agile sales fosters a culture of collaboration. Sales professionals no longer work in isolation, but operate in close connection with marketing, product, and customer support teams. This synergy not only improves the customer experience, but also drives innovation within the sales process. See Chapter 10 for how collaboration between teams enhances both sales efficiency and innovation. Better resource allocation. Agile sales eliminates wasted effort. Instead of chasing outdated strategies, teams focus on activities that create real value. This optimization of resources leads to a better ROI and ensures that sales teams remain lean and efficient. This principle of maximizing value is emphasized in Chapter 5, where resource allocation is tied to customer-centric goals. Continuous learning and improvement. With regular sprints and retrospectives, Agile Sales promotes a cycle of continuous learning. Sales teams regularly reflect on what worked, what didn't, and how they can improve in the next sprint, creating a culture of constant innovation and growth. The importance of learning and iterative improvement is highlighted in Chapter 9. How to implement Agile Sales in your organization. Choose the right framework. Agile Sales can be structured using frameworks like Scrum or Kanban, which are covered extensively in Chapter 9. Scrum helps teams work in short, structured sprints, while Kanban focuses on optimizing workflow for teams that require constant adaptability. Assemble cross-functional teams. Agile Sales thrives on diverse skill sets. Create cross-functional teams that integrate sales, marketing, product development, and customer service. This ensures a holistic 360-degree approach to the customer journey, where every department has a stake in the outcome. For tips on creating effective cross-functional teams, refer to Chapter 10, Agile Sales Leadership and Team Building. Define your sprints and sales backlog. Break large sales targets into manageable tasks. Prioritize activities in a sales backlog based on the value they deliver to customers, then execute these tasks in sprints that typically last between 1 to 4 weeks. Chapter 5 explains how to structure your sales backlog based on customer needs and Agile principles. Embrace data and feedback in Agile Sales. Data is your compass. Track metrics such as time to close, customer feedback, and lead conversion rates. By using AI tools to analyze this data, sales teams can fine-tune their strategies, ensuring that each sprint is smarter and more aligned with customer needs. Chapter 5 discusses how AI enhances data analysis and customer feedback loops in Agile Sales. Start small and scale, gradually. Agile Sales isn't a revolution overnight. Begin with a pilot project or a small team, integrating Agile principles gradually. As your team becomes more comfortable, scale Agile practices across the organization, expanding the use of AI tools and collaborative frameworks to optimize the sales process. The gradual implementation process is outlined in Chapter 10's 6-month deployment plan for transitioning to an Agile sales model. Embrace the flow of Agile Sales. Remember, Agile Sales is a journey, not a one-time shift. It requires constant adaptation, feedback, and refinement. I am Professor Thomas Hormaza Dow. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.